Hello, I'm Andrew Wilson. I work as a practicing osteopath and ergonomist, and I work closely with Buro seating to achieve chair design for your optimum well-being.
To set the seat height of your Luna chair, reach for the right hand paddle. To raise the seat, lift the paddle while standing and release the paddle at the desired seat height position. To lower the seat, lift the paddle while seated and release the paddle at the desired position. To set the back lumbar support of your Luna chair, slide the lumbar support up or down using both hands until it reaches the desired area of your lumbar spine. We recommend getting the support just at the top of your pelvis. To set the seat depth of your Luna chair, locate the left hand sliding lock under the seat pan. And while seated, pull out the lock and slide the seat forwards or backwards and release at the desired seat depth. To set the back tilt of your Luna chair, locate and reach the left hand paddle, and while seated on the chair and reclining gently on the back, lift the paddle to the up position to activate the free floating forward and rearward tilt function. To lock the back at any desired angle, push the paddle to the down position. We recommend leaving the chair in free flow so you get the most use and optimum function out of its dynamic functions. To adjust the tension of the back tilt function, look at the right hand paddle and reach for the handle on the end of it. Wind the handle toward the rear of the chair to lessen the back tension, and wind the handle forward to increase the back tension until you feel it's just set nicely balanced for your body weight. To set the height of the adjustable arms of your chair, you can raise or lower the arm by pushing in the button located on the arm while raising or lowering and setting to the desired height. The armrest should give you forearm support while your shoulders are relaxed and your arms tucked in close to your body. It should never prevent you sitting close to your desk. If you have any further questions about the operation of your Buro chair, then please go to buroseating.com for more information.